In today's video, I'll teach you how to create desktop shortcut of google.com using Google Chrome. So first of all, launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here Google Chrome has been opened. Make sure to click on the search bar and type in www.google.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the desktop shortcut, for that click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, cast, save and share. Now you can see various options. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for create shortcut. What you have to do is click on it. Now after that, you should be able to create a shortcut for the google.com. What you have to do is simply click on the field of name. Now you can simply enter the name over here. I'm just going to enter google.com. Now click on this option, create. Now once you do that, you can see over here the desktop shortcut for the google.com will be created. If you click on it, google.com will be opened. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you create desktop shortcut of google.com using Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.